I'm Minerva Blanchette with the Cansino Blanchette Law Firm, and this is our third video in the series of how to expunge or clean your record in the state of Georgia. This video is basically the third and last final step in cleaning your record completely. In videos number 1 and 2, we talked about how you would file with either the agency that made the arrest or through doing it without filing if your arrest was after July 1st of 2013. And basically in those two-step processes, it explains on how to have this particular criminal arrest moved from your GCIC, which we explained in video number 2. However, the concern comes about when you apply for a job or you apply for housing and the agency that is doing the application for you does not run your credit report, your criminal history through the GCIC, but uses a third-party agency because of its cost effectiveness or because of the contract they have with these particular agencies. And that makes it very concerning to you because basically when they run this information, they have these arrests still on your record even though it has been expunged or restricted from the GCIC. In these particular instances, you're still wondering at what point in time, how is it possible that this employer that I'm trying to apply with is able to still see my criminal history or my arrest even though I've had it expunged through the GCIC? And the way that that comes about is that these third-party agencies are able to go and research these records, which are public records with the clerks of Superior Court or of Magistrate Court or State Court, wherever the arrest or the case originated. The one way that you are able to actually have these agencies not have access to these records. Now you understand that any time that you're arrested for a criminal offense, that these arrests, once filed with the Superior State or Magistrate Court, become public records and have the ability to be researched by any individual that is able to have the case number or your name available and basically compile a report based on that information. In order to seal your record, you must file a motion with the court in order to seal your record. Our website offers links to these particular things, such as documents that you're able to look up and have so that you can do this sort of thing on your own. However, this process can be somewhat complicated. In order to file this motion, you must prepare a motion to seal your records in front of the appropriate court, whether that be Superior Court, State Court, or Magistrate Court. Once you prepare this particular motion, in the motion you must, number 1, show the arrest that you're trying to have sealed or the records that you're trying to have sealed. You must, number 2, show that there is an interest that outweighs the public's ability to access these records, and show that your interest has been somewhat compromised in that you were applying for a job and that there was harm to you based upon this record being available. All of these things need to be documented by somewhat showing that, number 1, you have a record ran by a third-party agency. Number 2, that you made application for a job or housing or some sort of item that you were denied based upon the record. And number 3, compile all of these documents so that they can be filed pursuant to your motion as exhibits attached to it. Once you file these motions, you must serve a copy of it to the prosecuting agency, whether that was the solicitor's office or the district attorney's office. And then I would also encourage you to submit a proposed order along with it. Many jurisdictions, based upon the new law, have no problem in going ahead and doing an order by consent, meaning that the district attorney's office or the solicitor's office often does not oppose the sealing of the records if it is in fact causing you harm. However, many jurisdictions do require that you have a hearing in this matter, which you would be required then to present evidence to the court that in fact, number 1, those conditions have been satisfied and that you have sufficiently carried your burden in proving that in court. These things can be difficult for an individual to do on their own. Our office is here to assist you 100% of the way. And although we do offer these documents, if you will contact us, we will be happy to send you an email of these documents. It is highly recommended that you use an attorney's office to do these documents for you and to prepare your hearing and argue these motions so that you're not wasting your time and that you have all the necessary documents available to the court so that they can make a motion in order to seal your records. Again, my name is Minerva Blanchette. We are more than happy to assist you in this process. We've helped hundreds of individuals seal their records, pursuant to the new Georgia law. Our number is 404-997-8470. Again, my name is Minerva Blanchette. 404-997-8470. Thank you.